Hey guys, it's Micah. So, just like the rest of the world, I'm quarantining right now with my family. I've been doing a lot of this, and this, and this. So being home has been good. Obviously, I miss my friends. I miss real college. I've been doing a lot of baking since I've been home. I would say that after 2 weeks of making subpar desserts, I think that it is time that I progress to level 2. I was trying to decide what level I'm on. I don't know what level I'm on. Whatever level you think macarons are on. Macarons? So no, macaroons, I learned this, are different than macarons. Whatever, I'm trying to make this right here. And everyone I've told this to, their first response was, those are really hard. I have been researching for this project. I spent all evening watching recipe videos and I finally found one that I think I can follow successfully. And we're gonna try and make them. And I thought I would record it because
macarons have a reputation for being almost impossible to make yourself.
Almond milk, where's almond milk? Ah, yes, powdered sugar. This is exciting. Egg whites, butter. Okay, great. A food processor. We have one of those too. Great, let's do it. Kind of nervous. 3/4 cup of ground almonds. Mom, are you excited for me? That I'm making you macaroons. I was watching the lady make these. You, well, both. I mean, whatever I say to you, I have to say in front of them. I was gonna say, I was watching the lady make these, and when she was measuring, she didn't make it like exact. She just kind of like scooped it and put it.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, also, put it away when you're done with it to minimize mess. Okay.
I was gonna clean the kitchen, but I guess I'll wait.
The kitchen is clean.
Right, just in that area.
I just cleaned off the counter space. But that's like movie magic. Like on a real film set, doesn't matter. I was about to nerd out on you. I think this is going well. Pulse.
On.
Can I have a bowl, please? Bowl me. Thank you. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Love you. So I have my combined almond flour and powdered sugar. Separate, oh boy. Now's the time for the eggs. You know, I've been thinking a lot about this quarantine concept. And it's interesting, like no one is above it. Like all the celebrities are doing the same things that you and I are doing. Granted, probably in a nicer house. Like all the college students are feeling really stressed out. Okay, wash your hands after touching eggs because the last thing you want on top of your coronavirus is salmonella. Okay, you can come in close for this one. Okay, this is where this video gets aesthetic, right? You're gonna watch me make egg whites. Or wait, beat egg whites? I don't know.
High speed until they get
High speed? I think I did it. Look, Mom, you want some meringue? Get a load of this. This is really heavy.
Also, you should be able to tip the bowl on top of your head or just upside down without any falling out.
I put some hazelnut in it. She was making strawberry ones, but I found this in the back of our cabinet, so I figured. So she just kind of spooned it in. Look at that. I made this. Oh, I already messed up. You're not supposed to add it all at once. Okay.
It's okay.
No, Mom. Karina said add 1/3 or half of the bowl. I added the whole thing.
The hard part is getting it perfect. Overmix and you'll need to start again.
I don't want to start again. Well, how do I know if I'm over mixing? She said I need to make it the consistency of lava.
Most of us don't know exactly what that looks like. Let me show you.
Do you think that's over mixed? Do you think I messed it up?
I have no idea.
I'm figure eighting really well. I could write my name. We're moving on, you know? Can't can't dwell on this forever. Next step. I don't know how to do this. Can you like hold it?
Can I like the bowl?
Oh, my hand is getting tired. My mom is taking the leftover batter and she's watching me make these while she... Hold on, let me just give you a visual. My support system.
I'm using a Wilton number 12 tip. Pipe your macarons onto a lined baking sheet.
Mine are not perfect circles, I'm embarrassed. Please don't judge how my shapes look. I'm really insecure.
I feel like they look perfect.
So I have to leave my macaroons out for 30 minutes, sitting at room temperature, before I put them in the oven. So I'm gonna try and make the filling now.
Sure, I'm gonna squeeze it in your mouth.
My hand fly out.
Oh, so attractive.
I have taken out my Invisalign. This is
ready?
the album.
It's coming.
I did really good. For the filling, 1 stick of butter. I'm having so much fun. That sounded sarcastic. It wasn't. I'm like actually really having a blast here. Okay. Someone that my mother knew as a child
Yes.
used to eat butter, like sticks of butter, as a snack. Sully, are you excited for my macaroni adventure? Mom likes it when I bake right about now because she doesn't have to make dinner.
That's not true.
Hey, Beck, are you excited for my macaroons? Hey, Dad. Are you excited for my macaroons? Do you think that I can do it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad. I appreciate your support. Ezra, do you think that I will successfully make these macaroons?
Camera.
They kind of look like pancakes. Something's wrong here. Moment of truth.
Buy some somewhere.
No, Mom. They have a skin. It's time. Okay. Okay, they're in the oven, but we can't let our guard down yet because another tricky part of this is going to be making sure that they're cooked right, but you can't open the oven because then they deflate, but our oven light is out. It's now up to God to help us. I'll be in touch. Just for the record, my mom is the one that wants me to make a TikTok so that she can learn dance videos.
You just threw me under the bus.
I don't have TikTok. I think I'm the only person in America right now that doesn't.
No, me. I know. 2 people.
You're right. That's why she wants me to make one.
Me and Dad.
They're ready. I think I actually did it. So it says to let them cool entirely, and then we add the icing.
Hello, world. Is this going on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay, you'll have to talk to my manager.
So it's been, I kind of forgot about my cookies. It's been like an hour. So here they are. You can watch too.
The
I
store.
just fell off the curb. That was weird.
Store open.
It actually was.
Oh no! It's not working. The inside is like really sticky still. I don't think they're cooked.
Yeah, that's okay.
Thank you.
No! No! Now I'm upset. It didn't work, everyone. I didn't cook them enough, and so they didn't cook all the way through. I made icing and everything.
They look like they taste great. Wow.
I'm so upset. I knew I should have cooked them longer. Well, I guess.
Oh, man.
I mean, have you ever made something like a pumpkin pie and it turned green and it was like the best pumpkin pie you've ever had?
I guess we're eating them like this now. Okay, well, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Say bye, Karis.
Cut.
Tune in. Shh. Tune in some other time. We'll bake something else. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure. See you later.
Really good.